Okay, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel like this. You click an arrow and it drops down a list. And so let's get started. So first off, you need a list of data. I've already got a small list of 3 names. You need to select the cell that you'd like to have the drop-down list be located in. And you need to click on the Data tab up top. Once you've clicked on the Data tab, go over here to where it says Data Validation. Click the down arrow for Data Validation, and then click Data Validation. Where it says Allow, choose List, and then where it says Source, click and drag the cells that you want to show up on that list. Click OK. You'll now, when you go to this cell, you'll have a drop-down list you can choose from. Okay, hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, comment them below. And if you want to watch some other tutorials about Excel, I've got a whole playlist for you here. Thanks for subscribing to Teach Mom How.